This tutorial will show you how to interpret a degree evaluation in the Student Information System. It's designed for students, faculty, and advisors. The degree audit process is known as CAPP. It's an acronym that stands for Curriculum Advising and Program Planning. Let's briefly review the options available. You can view a previous evaluation if any have been performed. You can generate a new evaluation based on a student's current program, or you can create a what-if analysis. This video will focus on the three options for generating a new evaluation on a current program. We will review the general requirements, detailed requirements, and additional information. Interpretations for the three options of a what-if analysis are exactly the same format. At the top of the General Requirements page, you will see the student's program evaluation. This is Nassau Community College's minimum requirements to graduate and the summary of the courses completed for the program. You see the general program requirements and whether they have been met for NCC and what has already been satisfied for the program. You will see if the total required institutional, program GPA, which is not used by NCC, overall GPA, other course information, and transfer credits have been met, how many are required, and how many have been used for each. If we scroll down on the page, you will see the subcomponents called areas that make up the total requirements for the program that the student must satisfy. Now, to view detailed requirements on this program, click the Back to Display Options link at the bottom of the page, or use the back button to return to the Degree Evaluation Options page. Click the Detail Requirements button and click Submit. On the Detail Requirements page, you will see NCC's minimum requirements to graduate repeated at the top of the page for the program, as previously displayed on the General Requirements page. The remainder of the page is in two-column format. That is, the left side of the page lists the areas of the program with the requirements to be met. The right side of the page lists the courses the student has completed to satisfy the requirements within the area. The Met column will show yes or no if row requirement has been met or not. The Condition column displays and/or statement requirements. Using the example of English composition in this instance, it can be English 101 or English 108 and English 102 or 109 to meet the 6-credit requirement. There are no rules that apply in this instance. The subject, the attribute column will identify the type of course it is. Low indicates the lowest course number and high lists the highest course number in a course range. The required credits, required courses columns will usually display a value when a requirement is defined with an attribute, a subject code only, and/or a low-high range. On the right-hand side, you see the courses that have been completed. Term displays the term in term code fashion in which the courses were completed. Subject lists the subject for the course that fulfilled the requirement. Course lists the course number for the course that fulfilled the requirement. Title of the course is self-explanatory. Attribute lists the attribute associated to the course that fulfilled the requirement, the number of credits that fulfilled the requirement, the course grade, and lastly, the source column that indicates where the source is coming from. For example, H stands for Academic History or for institutional coursework completed at Nassau Community College, T for Transfer, and R is for Registered or In-Progress courses. You can always click the print icon at the top of the page for a continuous paper copy to work from. Click the Back to Display Options link at the bottom of the page to return to the Degree Evaluation Options page. The final option for the student's current program is additional information. Click on the button and click Submit. This page displays all courses that the degree audit did not use, including any in-progress courses, courses not used by course attributes, and the rejected courses with an explanation if they exist. This completes the exploration of all three options of viewing and interpreting a degree audit that was generated on a student's current program by using general requirements that show what courses have been taken in the areas they are applied to, the detail requirements that show what courses have been taken, the areas they are applied to, and the requirements that are still remaining, and lastly, additional information that lists courses that have not been used or any leftover courses in the evaluation that was run. If you have any questions, please email banner@ncc.edu, and thanks for watching.